What's the meaning of chattel? Chattel. Chattel.
Chattel. Chattel. Chattel refers to a personal possession or movable property that is not attached to land. Examples of chattels include furniture, clothing, and vehicles. The term is often used in legal contexts, such as property law, where it is important to distinguish between real property, land, and personal property, chattels. Chattels can be bought, sold, and traded like other forms of property, and they can be subject to various legal protections and regulations. Overall, chattel refers to any tangible item that can be owned and transferred, but is not considered real estate.